Welcome back to Efftronics tutorials. Today we learn about how boot OS in our personal computer. Let's get started. Open your favorite browser, search Rufus. Rufus is the application which make normal pen drive to bootable pen drive. Because we need an bootable pen drive to boot OS. After completion of download, run the application. We can see here no device found. Now connect 8 or 16 GB pen drive to system. After connecting, the pen drive device will be identified. In boot cell cartouche, select disk or ISO image. After that, click select. Now select the OS ISO image file. In the image option, select standard Windows installation and partition scheme. Select GPT or MBR based on your chipset target system UEFI. Volume label, name your pen drive, it's optional. In file system, select FAT32 default cluster size, make it default. Now hit the start button. After completion, boot pen drive is ready. Restart the system, press rapidly F12 button. You are entered into boot menu, select USB storage device, hit enter. Now let's start set up our Windows long gauge and time format and hit install now. Select the disk partition before section of disk place, format the disk. Your Windows will be installed.